everyone, we are going to start reading chapter 2 from the book A Girl Named Helen Keller. What happened in the first chapter is we were introduced to Helen Keller. We found out that she had an illness when she was younger that made her deaf and blind. Her mother is right now thinking of ideas on how they can help her. They think Helen is very bright and smart, but they need to reach her in her unique situation. So we are going to read to find out more about Helen Keller. Chapter 2. Helen began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. Helen often became angry. Sometimes she lay on the floor and kicked her feet. Then a baby sister was born. Helen was not happy. "My poor Helen," said her mother, "now there is always a baby in my lap." One day, Helen pushed the baby out of its cradle onto the floor. "No, Helen," her mother cried. "What will we do? We must find help." The Kellers went to Washington, D.C. to visit the famous Alexander Graham Bell. Maybe he could help Helen. Dr. Bell had invented the telephone. He was also a teacher of the deaf. "Helen can learn," said Dr. Bell, "but she will need a special teacher. Write to the Perkins School for the Blind in Boston, Massachusetts. Ask them to send a teacher." Helen's father wrote to the school. Soon he had an answer. "Thank goodness," he said. "The Perkins School will send a teacher." We are going to stop here after chapter 2, so come back for the next video for chapter 3.